Hey everybody, it's Brian. I'm a physical therapist, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to stretch your levator scapula. That's a big fancy muscle, at least a fancy word for a muscle that goes from like the tip of the skull here, and it goes right on the top of your shoulder, your scapula, the shoulder blade. So it kind of goes in this band here. And a lot of times if real sedentary, real stress, anxiety, all these muscles guard and they protect. So we need to loosen that up a little bit. To do that, if I'm going to do my right side first, I'm going to, just like you've done with the upper trap, I'm going to take my right hand and anchor it on the chair, or sit on it, or whatever, just grab something. And this time, instead of just tipping the ear, I'm going to look into my left armpit. So if I turn my head and I'm looking like I'm going to smell my armpit, I know it's kind of gross, but this is how you do it, right? You're going to look into the armpit, and then that's going to get to this muscle. So after I do that with my left hand, I'm going to take the base of my skull, the back of my skull, and I'm going to pull my head into my armpit like I want to smell my own armpit. I hope I use deodorant today, right? So I'm going to look, pressure on, pressure off, okay? And if I want a little more pull, as I look in the armpit pull, I can even lean my body. Pressure on, pressure off, okay? Pressure on, pressure off. If you have some shoulder problems that you can just do it, modify it like this, you could just turn, look, and lean a little bit and not pull. So that's for the right side. Now if I want to do my left side, it's just the opposite. I'm going to anchor myself, my right or my left hand on the chair. Okay, I'm going to look and try to look into my right armpit. I'm going to tip my chin and look into it. I'm going to grab my right hand and pull my head as I lean. Pressure on, pressure off. Now I'm stretching this band here, the levator scapula. And again, that can be done 10 repetitions, a couple times a day, or as instructed by your therapist.